Hello there and welcome to another myClubhouse video tutorial. In this video we will be looking at member lists. Member lists are more than just distribution lists for emails. They can be used as filters for searching, to limit entitlements, and more. In this example, we will be creating a member list showing all current and prospective adult members of the club. Once you are logged into your myClubhouse site, navigate to Email, Member List Manager. Click Add New. Enter a name for the member list. Enter a short description about the purpose of this member list. If you want to select a category for this member list, do so here. Leave the entitlements as the system defaults. Now we need to create the member list itself. Select Subscription from the drop-down. Select Is Current from the drop-down. Click the top green plus. Select Membership Category from the drop-down. Select the membership categories from the drop-down, in this case, Adult Member. Click the top green plus. Select Life Cycle Status from the drop-down. Select Offered to Applicant and Accepted by Applicant Live from the drop-down. Click Run to check that the member list is showing the expected users. If you're happy with the result, click Save. You can use this member list throughout your site, such as when sending emails, restricting a form, or setting who can view a document. And there you have it. An example of a current and prospective adult members member list. If you like this video, you can learn more about other capabilities of member lists in our knowledge base. If you need some help with setting up your member lists, get in touch through the myClubhouse service desk. Thank you for watching.